you will hear an archaeologist talking to visitors at a community project at the Bidcaster Archaeological Dig. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 6. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 6.
Hello, my name is Hayden. I am an archaeologist working here at Bidcaster. This is the third summer of this community project. Most of the people working here are volunteers. I work full-time as an archaeologist for the town council. I joined this project because NHA, a charity, asked me to help. NHA starts projects like this in many places around the country. We are working next to Bidcaster Castle. The owners of the castle are very kind. They let us use their buildings and equipment. Now I will tell you how this project started. Many archaeology projects begin when people find old objects. Here, the first object was a gold coin. People often find coins with metal detectors. Sometimes animals, like rabbits, dig them out of the ground. At Bidcaster, a walker found the coin after heavy rain. The rain washed away some earth and sand. After the news about the gold coin, a man called Peter Swift contacted me. He is an amateur historian. He believed there was a village here long ago, before the castle was built. Soon after that, we found old maps and documents in the library. They showed drawings from 500 years ago. The drawings showed old buildings between the castle walls and the river. At that time, we knew this place was important. Over the last 3 summers, we found the remains of several buildings. We also found many broken pots. Usually, we find jewelry like brooches. So far, we have not found any jewelry here. However, we found many tools made from animal bones. The people who lived here were very good at making tools. We also found signs of people living on the other side of the river. We did not find houses there, but we found the lines of old fields. Once, we found a long wall. At first, we thought it was an ancient palace. Later, we learned it was a modern wall. This summer's work will finish soon. We will come back again next summer. In the autumn, we will give guided tours for school groups. Some of you may have seen the TV program about this project. It said the objects would go to the town museum. We are not sure about that yet.
Before you hear the rest, you have some time to look at questions 7 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 7 to 10.
Now, please look at the map. We are standing at "You are here" at the bottom of the map. When you walk around the site, please stay on the paths. This year, we found the foundations of an ancient bridge near the river. Today, divers are working in the river to look for old objects. To get to the bridge, walk straight on along the main path. Keep walking until the path turns left. Then, take the small path on the right. This will take you to the river. Another place you may want to see is the rubbish pit. It is near the castle walls, in the northwest part of the site. This pit is from the time of the castle, not the ancient village. We found oyster shells and fish bones there. Near the site of current dig, we found a meeting hall. It was an important building. It had 2 long rows of holes for wooden posts. These posts held a large roof. It is the biggest building in the center of the site. Last year, we found a fish pond. It is not next to the river now. The river may have moved over time. To reach the fish pond, walk to the first information board. Turn right and follow the path into the trees. Before you leave the trees, the pond is on your right. If you reach the river, you have gone too far.